I got this Lydsto Robot Pool Vac sent to me to make a video about. This is a paid post. All right, right here on the Pool Vac, it says Lydsto, born for cleanliness. So that's a pretty nice logo. Look at all that stuff it vacuumed up. Look at all those leaves and all that dirt and silt from the bottom of the pool. Yeah, look at all that stuff. Oh, wow. It really got all that film from the bottom of the pool there. Look at that. Vacuumed up all those leaves and all that crud from the bottom of the pool there. Yeah, this thing did a really good job. Yeah, this Lydsto is really living up to its name. It says born for cleanliness. It sure is. All right, here's all the parts it comes with. You got your charger here to charge it up. You got your hook to get it out of the pool that connects to your pole there. And then you got the little brushes there. And then you got your float there and a screw to attach it. If you had trouble finding your brushes, check in the bottom of this cardboard cover that covers the pool vac. It's got some slats in here. And these things are in a bag. And then they're stored right in here like this. So just take this out of the box and look at the bottom and you should be able to find these. So make sure you have all those parts before you throw anything away. It also comes with an instruction manual on how to get started. All right, let's open this thing up and get it all set up. I'm going to open this thing up real quick and I'll show you what it looks like inside. There's these nibs on the side there that you can open. There's 4 of them. So you just open all those and then you can take the top off there. You can see there's the top there. There's your power button. And there's your charging port. All this fits inside here. And then that will be on the bottom there. Here's the screen right here. Take the screen off there and look at everything. You see it's got your ports in there. That's where these will connect. Put this back inside here. Oh, there we go. Just a matter of getting a feel for it. So you can see those 2 holes right there. That's what you want to line it up to. All right, I'm going to get out a screwdriver and I'm going to screw this in here. Comes with the screw right there. Put that there. I'll go grab my screwdriver real quick. All right, go ahead and get this screwed in nice and secure there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and flip it upside down here. And I want to put these things on here. We got the little brushes there. There's 2 nibs there, and then you can see inside here there's 2 holes there. We want to put it in there like that to go into the holes. Feel it catch there. Same thing over here. All right, it feels secure. It feels like it's flopping good. And then to charge it, you just open this up right here. Make sure that's clean. And then we can plug it into the charger. It said make sure the power's off there. Can't quite tell. I don't think the power's on. There's a little nib right here and a nib right there, so make sure you line that up to get that turned on there. I'm going to plug it in. See if I can see any light on here. It says I'm charging. It says there's supposed to be a light on here that tells you you're charging. I'll see if I can find it. Okay, so the red light's not on the robot. It's down here on the charger. So there's the charging light right there. So once this thing turns green right here, then it'll be ready to go. Right now it's red, so that means it's charging. All right, we'll go ahead and let it charge up, and then we'll test it out. All right, it's all green. Now I can take the pool vac out to the pool and test it out. We had a real bad storm, and our pool was a mess. This side of the pool is looking really nice over here. Water's a little bit cloudy from all the chemicals I put in there to get it cleaned up, but I can see some leaves down here on this side. So this will be a good place to test out the Lydsto Pool Vac. I'll go ahead and put it in here and we'll see how it does. Okay, here's the Lydsto here. We got the Bottom all covered up here. I'm going to turn the power button on. And drop it down the pool here. There it goes down there. See how it does. Looks like it's trying to figure out what to do there. All right, there it goes. When it comes up to the wall there, it just kind of turns around and goes in reverse. So we can go back right over there. See how fast it goes there. Yeah, that thing can really move. Then once it hits the wall right there, it will just stop, and then it just goes in reverse, and then it just takes off going the other way. Yeah, you can go across the pool in just a few seconds there. Yeah, that thing's really moving. That's what surprised me about this, is how fast this pool vac is. Just comes to the wall, stops, goes in reverse, and then it just takes off. It does have some issues sometimes with the pool vents there, but if it's got some speed going, it does really good. I've had some problems with it getting stuck on there, and if you just take it out and clean the pool basket up, and it's got a nice full charge in it, it does really well. But when it gets all bogged down with all the sludge and stuff from the bottom of the pool and leaves and everything, it can get stuck on your pool vents if they stick up a little bit too much like that. So yeah, you can see here, if you have these vents that stick up like this, if the pool vac hits it just right, it'll get stuck on it. It does do its best to work its way off. It'll go back and forth for a while, but if you get impatient, you can just take the hook and take it off of there and get it back on track. But yeah, now it's moving really good there. This thing doesn't have any scrub brushes on the bottom of it, but it does have a pretty powerful vacuum. So you can see it does suck up a lot of the crud that's on the bottom of the pool there, a lot of that dirt and chemicals and stuff. It sucks that up really good. And it gets the leaves too. You can see how it kicks everything up there. All right, let's open it up and take a look at it. Oh wow, look at that. Look at all that stuff it vacuumed up. Look at all those leaves and all that dirt and silt from the bottom of the pool. Yeah, look at all that stuff. Oh wow, it really got all that film from the bottom of the pool there. Look at that. Vacuumed up all those leaves and all that crud from the bottom of the pool there. Yeah, this thing did a really good job. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and clean this thing out and wash it up and recharge it and put it back in. Yeah, this Lydsto is really living up to its name. It says born for cleanliness. It sure is.